Okay, kids, so let us start our day to the prayer. So everybody please stand up and hold your hands like this. Okay? All of you please stand up and hold your hands. Okay, and say with me. Good morning, God. This is your day. I am your child. Show me the way. Okay, now everybody rub your palms. Fast, fast, fast. Very nice. Put it on your eyes. Now open your eyes. Clap your hands loudly. Yes, very nice. Very good. Okay, now jump. Jumping karo sab log. Very good. Jump, jump. Enjoy yourself, okay? But be careful, don't hurt yourself. Okay, very nice, very nice. Stop it now, stop it. Abhi jogging karo to thoda sa aise. Do a little bit of jogging. Very good, very good. Very nice, very nice. Okay. Do it for some time. थोड़ी देर के लिए करो. Okay, now raise your hands and bend it towards your right side. Now you will tell me which is your right side. सबका right hand कौन सा है? Please tell me. Show me your right. Raise your right hand and show me. Which is your right hand? जिस hand से आप writing करते हो. Yes, Soumya. Very nice, Soumya. जिस hand में आप pencil पकड़ते हो, जिससे writing करते हो, that is your right hand. The hand in which you hold your pencil, that is your right hand. Okay. Very nice. Now bend towards your right side. This is right hand, so right side is over here. Bend. दोनों hands ऊपर करके bend. Very good. Now straight and bend towards your left side. Very good. Now straight and bend towards your right side. Now straight and bend towards your left side. Very good. Straight, bend towards your right side. Very good. Now lift your right leg up. अपना right leg उसको ऊपर करो ऐसे. Lift your right leg up like this. Right leg कौन सा है? Which is on your right hand side. Right leg up, left leg up. 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 Okay? Okay now. Very nice. Now put hands on your waist and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Excellent, everyone. Very nice. Okay, now everybody please sit down and drink some water. सब लोग थोड़ा पानी पी लो and fresh हो जाओ. Okay? I have checked your homework. Just check for the remarks, okay? I have given remarks to all the kids. Please check it. Okay, now kids, do you remember what we were doing on Friday? आप लोगों को याद है हमने क्या किया था Friday को? Do you remember that? Yes? Yes, Pratik. Pratik, do you remember what we did on Friday? Friday को हमने क्या सीखा था? What did we learn on Friday, Pratik? Is Pratik there? You are there, Pratik, right? Yes, Pratik. Unmute कर दो बेटा and put your camera on, please. Okay. अपना कैमरा ऑन कर दो. Are you there, Pratik? Okay, Soumya, you are. मेरा फोटो नहीं आ रहा है. Am I visible to everybody? सबको दिखाई दे रही हूँ मैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Soumya, can you see me? Okay, Pratik, I think there must be some network issue from your side, that because I think I'm visible to all the other kids. Okay, check करो network, एक बार disconnect करके वापस connect करो प्रतीक. Try disconnecting and connecting again. Okay.
दूसरे चैनल
Okay, Soumya, you tell me, beta, what we did on Friday. Do you remember it, Soumya? Friday को हमने क्या सीखा था?
लेजर टीचर लेजर
Very good. We learned greater than and lesser than. Okay, very good, very nice. Harshdeep, very nice. We learned then on Friday, and before that we had learned greater than. Okay, so हमने greater than and less than. Now we are going to learn something new, very, very easy, and greater than and less than also. Now see, I'm going to teach you how it is called, what it is called. It is called equal to. So today we are going to learn equal to. What does equal to means? Now see, I will give you one example. मैं आपको example देती हूँ. Okay, हर्षदीप, आपके पास 5 chocolates हैं. कितने chocolates हैं हर्षदीप के पास? How many chocolates, हर्षदीप? 5 chocolates. Okay, और आपके भाई के पास कितने chocolates हैं? आपके भाई के पास कितने चॉकलेट्स है? आपके भाई के पास भी 5 चॉकलेट्स है. यू बोथ हैव 5 चॉकलेट्स. दोनों के पास 5 चॉकलेट्स है. तो दोनों के पास इक्वल है ना? सेम अमाउंट है ना? दोनों के पास सेम अमाउंट है. आपके भाई के पास भी 5 है, आपके पास भी 5 है. तो जब दोनों नंबर सेम होते हैं तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इक्वल टू, यानी सेम नंबर. जैसे हमारी दोनों हैंड्स में सेम फिंगर्स होते हैं ना, जितने फिंगर्स इस हैंड में होते हैं 5, उतने ही फिंगर दूसरे हैंड में भी होते हैं 5. वी हैव सेम नंबर ऑफ फिंगर्स इन बोथ द हैंड्स. सो हमारे दोनों हाथ नंबर्स है वो क्या है? इक्वल. व्हाट आर दे? इक्वल. यस, वेरी गुड हर्षदीप. सब लोग बोलो मेरे साथ, इक्वल. ये नाम याद करना है. ये equal, you all have to remember this word now.
Equal.
Yes, equal. It's same amount. What equal is same, na kam na zyada. Okay,
Equal.
now see,
Equal to.
just give me 1 minute. Yes, equal to. Okay, now Sanskriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me 1 minute, Sanskriti.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I visible? Am I?
Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Okay. You have 4 dogs. And your friend. Who is your best friend? Tell me the name of your best friend, Sanskriti.
Yes, someone.
आपकी best friend है कोई?
Yes, ma'am.
Name.
Samarth.
Okay. Okay. Now, best friend also has 4 dolls. आपके पास भी 4 dolls है, आपकी best friend के पास भी 4 dolls है. तो ये दोनों dolls आपके पास same है ना? Both have the same number of dolls. किसी के पास ज़्यादा नहीं है, कम नहीं है. The number of dolls are equal for each other, equal to each other, right? So that means these two numbers are equal. What are they called?
Equal.
जब कोई भी एक कम नहीं amount. Okay? Yes. Navya, listen to me, Navya. Navya, are you there?
Ma'am.
Please come in front of the camera, Navya. Please come in front of the camera, Navya. Okay, Navya. Now see, if I have if I have, look at me. If I have 3 ice cream cones, okay? 1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
I have 3 very good. I have 3 ice cream cones. And आपका जो friend है उसके पास भी 3 ice cream cones है. Your friend तो have 3 ice cream. 1, 2.
2, 3.
Okay, now see, you have 3 ice cream cones, Navya, and your friend also has 3 ice cream cones. दोनों के पास same amount है या अलग-अलग amount है? Tell me, Navya, is it same or different? You have 3 ice cream cones. आपके पास 3 ice creams है और आपकी friend के पास भी 3 ice cream है. तो दोनों के पास same amount है या अलग-अलग है? Yes, Navya?
You same है.
Same है, very good. Both have same amount. So हम इनके बीच में क्या sign लगाएंगे? Equal. Now see carefully. This sign is for equal to. जब हम दो parallel lines बनाते हैं, ऊपर एक line और नीचे भी में 2 lines parallel to each other. 2 sleeping lines. One line and then the other below it. Sign is called equal to sign. What is it called? Equal to sign. Okay. Very good. Now, I want all of you to open your notebooks. Please open your notebooks. Let us practice in our notebook. Notebook and write down on the top the date for today. Okay. Now, Soumya will tell me what is the date today. Yes, Soumya. Very nice. Excellent. Today is 2/1/21. So everybody please write down 2/1/21.
बेटा इधर टू 1
Okay, very good. Then write the month 09. Everybody please write down.
बाइक पे ध्यान सोना
Okay, and then write down 20. 20 is for 2020. So what is the date? 24th September 2020. Okay. Now write down CW on the top. Okay, now what are we going to do? Just now I told you what is equal to. Equal to का क्या sign होता है? Equal to का sign होता है ऐसे. This is the sign for equal to. Everybody see carefully. This is the sign for इक्वल टू, अगर आपको कोई इक्वल टू बोले आपको ये साइन लगाना है. यू हैव टू पुट दिस साइन इफ समबडी सेज इक्वल टू, और व्हेन यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इक्वल टू, then you have to put this sign. One line, small line, and then there is another line, smaller than and greater than, right? This is the sign for smaller than, and this is the sign for greater than, right?
Yes.
Equal to, smaller than, greater than. और
Yes.
भी बोल सकते हो, equal to, lesser than and greater than. There are three things: equal to, lesser than and greater than. Greater than means big number, bigger number. Lesser than means smaller number, and equal to means which is same, which are equal. Okay, which is same, equal to. Now let me give one sum to you on whiteboard. पहले हम orally एक sum solve करते हैं, then you can do it on the worksheet or in your notebooks. Okay, so I am giving one sum and I just ask whether it is equal to, smaller than or greater than. Okay.
Mama, rectangle.
Now tell me, Sanskriti. No, not Sanskriti. I've already asked. Okay. Tell me, Nisa. Oh, Nisa, where were you all these days, beta? आप किधर थे? आप Friday को नहीं थे ना? You were absent. I'm seeing your face after a long time. Are you okay, Nisa?
हाँ शुक्रिया.
Okay, fine, beta. Now see, I hope you can understand because you missed out lot of things. आपने वो miss out कर दिया last week का, तो शायद आपको समझ आने में थोड़ा problem होएगा. We have done greater than, lesser than, and today we are doing equal to. Okay. Now see, greater than, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many triangles are there? Just count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Nisa, I'm not going to ask you because आप अभी बहुत दिनों बाद आए हो and you will not understand it. So I'm going to ask some other kid. Okay. Let me ask. Okay, thank you, beta. Now, you answer me, Siddesh. These are how many triangles? 5. How many are these? How many are these? Please count and tell.
2 is greater than 5.
These are 2 triangles. Now, which one is greater? Greater is bigger. Which is bigger? 5 is bigger. 2 is bigger. 5. Excellent. Very nice. So, crocodile का mouth किधर open होगा? 5 की तरफ. Okay?
5 के तरफ.
Very good. So, this will be the answer. Now, let me ask Harshdeep. Harshdeep, you answer.
Teacher.
Okay, Harshdeep. Please tell me, count this and tell me how many circles are there, Harshdeep?
4.
2. Count karo.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. How many circles? 4 circles. Now over here, count over here also. How many circles are there?
1, 2.
1 second, beta. I'm so sorry. Let me write properly. Now count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Very good, Harshdeep. 4. So दोनों साइड इधर भी 4 है, इधर both the sides the number is equal, same number is there, right? So which sign are we going to put? Equal to sign. Which sign? Equal to.
Equal.
So we make 2 lines like this. Okay, equal to sign. Both are equal, both are same. Did you understand that? And everybody else, did you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Now let me take one example of smaller 2 or lesser 2 also, and then we'll do the exercise. Okay, Pramiti, would you like to answer?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Pramiti. Okay, Pramiti. Now see, count the number of 1 minute. Sorry. Count the number of ice creams, Pramiti, on this side.
4. Toilet.
Count 1.
How much?
1,
Any ice cream?
2, 3, 4. 4.
Very nice, Pramiti. Excellent. There are 4 ice creams. And how many are there on this side?
1, 2, 3. 3.
Very good. There are 3 ice creams. Now, which is lesser? कौन सा number छोटा? Which number is smaller? 4 is small
3.
or 3 is 3? Excellent, Pramiti. So the crocodile's back is towards 3 or mouth?
4.
Yeah.
Crocodile's back will be towards 3, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Oh, okay, very nice. So this means that 3 is smaller than 4.
4.
So let us do an exercise where we will have mixed numbers. Some will be lesser than, some will be greater than, and some will be equal to. Now you have to find out which is lesser than, which is greater than, and which is equal to. Okay, so let us, right, we will do with numbers, because if I make the drawing, it will be difficult and it will be time consuming. So I'll just write the numbers directly, but when I give you homework, I'll make the drawing and give the homework. Okay, so everybody please start writing. We will write the first question. First let me write and then you write. Okay, okay, do the first one.
One, two, three. 3 big chula हुआ है.
I've written 2 numbers on both the sides. Very simple. You don't have to do counting. Numbers are already written. Over here 5 is written, and on the other side also 5 is written. Now you have to find out whether they are equal to, greater than, lesser than. Whichever number will be greater, उसकी side crocodile का mouth open होगा. और अगर वो equal, if they are equal, then you have to put the equal to sign. If they are greater, then you have to open crocodile's mouth towards the bigger number. Okay. Everybody first note down the question and then. Yes, who was calling me? Soumya, were you? Yes, Sanskriti. Who was calling me? Soumya, Sanskriti, Navya. Who was calling me?
Sanskriti.
Okay, yes, Sanskriti. Tell me, beta. Don't reveal the answer now. Don't reveal. When I ask you, then reveal the answer. Because I want everybody to do it on their own. Okay? Yes. How are you, beta? How's Shivansh? You've done? Okay, good. Let everybody else also finish it. Nita, are you able to understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Can you understand?
Yes.
Okay, Nisa. If you have any problems, you can ask me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, yes, you are right. You shown me the answer, Navya. Very good. The answer is correct. You can show your, if you completed, you get the answer on the screen, okay? Please put your in front of the camera and show me.
टीचर को दिखा रही है मम्मा.
Sanskrit, put the answer. I am not seeing the answer. Just move it a little bit towards the left side. Yes. And put it down. Put it down. Or move the camera up. Because I can just see the lower portion of your book. Yes. Yes, yes, beta. I'm coming to you. Very good, Soumya. Very nice. Yes, you are correct, Soumya. The answer is right. Yes, very good, Sanskriti. Very good, Sarvesh. Yes, Nisa. Very nice, Nisa. Excellent. Okay, so yes, very good, Ashishman. Very nice. Very good, Harshdeep. Very good, Siddesh. Very good, Pramiti. Very nice. Sarvesh, have you done? Shreyas, have you done it, beta? And Arnav, you also please show me. Please put it in front of the screen and show me. Very good. And Arnav, you also please show it to me. Okay, very nice. Very good. Now see what is the answer? The answer is, which all of you have written, and it's correct. The answer is equal to. Why? Because both are same. Both the numbers are same. Okay, let us do one more sum. Now we will do it counting. Okay, let us make triangles. It's easy for everybody to make triangles. Or do you want circles? Tell me whichever is easy for you to draw. Circles? Okay, good. Okay, beta, fine. Then let us make circles. First, let me write the question. After that, you copy. Okay, let me write the question. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just write the question. Okay, now see, this is the question. You have to see carefully. Circles carefully. Dekhna. Let mama do it. And parents, you draw this for them, then they can count and write the answer. Please help the kids. Please draw it for them. I hope it is clearly visible. If not, please tell me. I'll make it with a darker pen. If the pencil is not visible.
Very clear, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
इतना ही है देखो और नीचे 1 2 1 2 3 और बहुत सारे सर्कल
Okay, that's all right. Take your time, but do the counting on your own. Let mama draw it for you, but do the counting on your own. Okay, after that.
ये 1 2 3 4 7
हो गया जाने जा
Okay, very good, Soumya. Very good, Pramiti. We'll wait for others also. Those who have done can show me on the screen.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Very good. Very good, Sarvesh. Very good, Navya. Soumya, you finished? Then you can show me on the screen. Very good, Soumya. Very nice. Others, take your time. Don't worry. I will wait for you. Okay, Pramiti, bring it a little closer to the camera, please. I can't see the numbers. Yeah. Fine, Pramiti. Good. Very good.
One, 2, 3, 4. मैम मेरा देखो
Yes, Harshdeep. वेरी गुड. आप साइन लगाओ. वेरी नाइस. अभी बीच में साइन लगाओ. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? ये इक्वल टू होगा या ग्रेटर देन होगा या लेसर देन. पहले काउंटिंग करो. आप चाहो तो नंबर लिख सकते हो इसके नीचे काउंट करके एंड बीच में साइन लगाओ. ओके हर्षदीप. यस प्रमिति. Oh, sorry, Sanskriti. Bring it closer, Sanskriti. Yes, very nice, Sanskriti. Very nice. Very good.
Nice candle
Yes,
too.
very nice, beta. Good job. Yes, Siddesh, have you completed? Have you completed? Yes, Soumya, you want to say something, Soumya? Very good, Nisa. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, very good Shivansh, very good Shreyas, very nice. आपने किया कंप्लीट? मुझे कंप्लीट करके दिखाओ बेटा. Very good Harshdeep, very nice. Okay Ashishman, very nice, very good Arnab, very good. Okay, I think सबने दिखा दिया. Everybody shown me. Siddesh, आपने दिखाया. Please show me the answer, Siddesh. थोड़ा सा screen please bring it a little closer to the screen. I can't see it properly. Okay, yeah, very good. So I think I've checked everybody's except for Pratik. Pratik, please show me if you've written the answer. I'm waiting for you, beta. I think I'm not audible. There is some network issue. Okay, kids. So did you all understand? Now let me give you the answer. What is the answer? We do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is 7. You have to stop where the circles finish. You have to stop. उसके आगे counting नहीं करनी है फिर. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. जैसे ही मैं लास्ट सर्कल पे आती हूँ मुझे रुक जाना है काउंटिंग करना. Okay, so my answer is 7 on both the sides. That means it is equal to. So this is the answer. Okay, everybody has given me the right answer. Very nice, kids. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now let me give you one more example. Let me see if you can do it. Let me make the circles again. Circles are easy to draw. I will make circles again, okay?
Please draw chocolates.
You want chocolates? Oh my god. Okay. Chalo, next one we'll make chocolate. This one let it be circle because I've already done it. Next one I'll make chocolates. Okay, fine? Okay. Everybody please copy this question. Help from mama. Okay? And then answer. This you have to find out whether it is bigger, smaller, equal to, what it is. Lesser than or greater than or equal to. Just remember one thing. Whichever number is bigger, the crocodile mouth will open towards that number. जो भी number बड़ा होगा, crocodile का mouth उधर ही open हो जाएगा. Okay, और अगर वो बड़ा नहीं होएगा तो हमें से equal to बनाना है. अगर वो equal होएगा, it's very simple. तो अभी सब लोग कोशिश करेंगे खुद से सॉल्व करना. अगर आपको आंसर नहीं आ रहा है तो मुझे बताओ. Okay, I will explain it to you. खुद से ट्राई करो विदाउट ममा's हेल्प. ड्राइंग में ममा से हेल्प ले लेना, बट काउंटिंग में ममा से हेल्प नहीं लेना. ओके, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. तो आपको खाली काउंट करना है और उसके नीचे नंबर लिखना है. काउंट, राइट द नंबर, देन कंपेयर द नंबर्स and write the correct sign in the box. Okay,
बना और है
1, 2, 3, 4.
very good Soumya. Very good Harshdeep, very nice beta. Very good Siddesh. Yes Prami. थोड़ा पास लाओ, bring it closer to the screen. Okay, yes, very good Pramiti, very nice. Very good Ashishman, very good. Very good Siddesh.
Ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Navya. Very good, Shreyas. Yes. Sanskriti, who is calling me? Yes, Soumya. Oh, very nice, Soumya. It's correct. Very good. Oh my God, Sanskrit, you've colored it also beautiful. Very beautiful. Very nice. Very good, Sanskriti. Okay, kids. So if you want, you can be a little creative also. You can do coloring also and make it look beautiful. If you want to. Okay, it's optional. Like Sanskriti has colored it. If you want, you can also color and make it look beautiful. Okay. Now let me reveal the answer to everyone. We will count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles? 4 circles. Very good. Now on the other side, 1, 2 circles. 2 circles. Now which is bigger in this and which is lesser? Which is bigger? 4 is a bigger and 2 is a lesser number. So crocodile's mouth will open towards which number? 4. Why? Because crocodile likes big numbers. It's a hungry crocodile. So crocodile mouth open towards 4. 4 is greater than 2. Say with me. 4 is greater than 2. Yes. And over here we say 7 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. Okay, so did you all understand this? Now I'm going to give you a similar exercise where I'll draw the objects. You have to count and you have to find out whether it is smaller than, lesser than, greater than or equal to. Okay, this is going to be small. And if you want, you can do coloring also. Like Sanskriti did coloring just now, which looked very beautiful. So you can be a little creative also. You can do coloring in the objects. ठीक है, आप कलरिंग भी कर सकते हो ऑब्जेक्ट्स में, और सुंदर लगेगा. ओके एवरीबॉडी? ओके, डन? शो मी अ थम्स अप. ओके, गुड. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू teach you a new number name today. Let us see if we have time. We'll do the writing. Otherwise, we'll just do it orally today and we'll do the writing tomorrow. Now we have done number names till 7. Do you remember it? Do you all remember or not? Let me see. Oh, okay. Just give me 1 minute. Let me arrange the flash. We did this number name last time. 7 kiya tha. How did I tell you to learn it? I told you that you can break it into 3 parts and learn it. No. S-E-V-E-N. 7. So if it's a big spelling, you can always break the spelling to smaller parts and learn it. जब भी कोई बड़ी स्पेलिंग होती है ना, उसको हमेशा छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके लर्न करो, तो आपके लिए वो इजी होगी याद रखना. So हमने क्या किया था? हमने 7 को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया था. फर्स्ट वाज SE, second part was VE, and the third part was N. SEVEN 7. Everybody say with me. SEVEN 7. Very good. सब लोग 3 fingers open करो. Everybody open 3 fingers and say with me. जो finger बोलेंगे we'll close that finger. SEVEN 7. If you can't open these 3, you can open these 3 also. फिंगर ओपन नहीं होती तो ऐसे ओपन करो, वो आपके लिए इजी होगी ओपन करना. ओके, SEVEN 7. Yes, so this is the number name that we did last time. Let us do a quick recap of all the number names. Okay. And that way I'll come to know also whether you all remember also or not. Now let us start with, I will ask one kid. Nobody will interrupt when I'm asking. Nobody will answer on somebody else's behalf. Okay, I will choose the name and I will keep on asking you one by one. Everybody will get a chance, don't worry. सबको chance मिलेगा बोलने का. Out of turn नहीं बोलना है. Okay, only when the kid is not answering, then you can raise your hand, then I will ask you. So because that way we can maintain a proper discipline, there is no noise in the class and everybody gets a turn. Okay, now let us start with Harshdeep. Harshdeep, please unmute yourself. Tell me which number is this, Harshdeep? 1. Okay. Now, can you read this? Can you tell me the number name?
O-N-E-1.
Very nice, Harshdeep. Put yourself on mute. Now, everybody say with me, O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Very good.
N-E-1.
Siddesh, can you tell me which number is this, Siddesh?
TWO2.
Very nice, Siddesh. Put yourself on mute. TWO2. Everybody say with me, TWO2.
T-W-O-2.
Very good. Now let us move on to the next number. Sanskriti, can you tell me which number is this and what's the number name?
3.
Okay, very good. And what's the number for 3?
T-H-R-T.
Very good. T-H-R-E-E. Very nice. Excellent, Sanskriti. So this is T-H-R-E-E-3. T-H-R-E-E-3. Everybody say with me. T-H-R.
E-3.
This also in 2 parts. T-H-R. One finger. Double E, second finger. T-H-R, finger close. Double E, finger close. T-H-R, double E-3. सब लोग रिपीट करो, इसको रीड करो. T-H-R, double E. Very good, excellent. Now the next kid. Soumya, can you tell me which number is this, Soumya?
4.
4. Very good. Can you tell me the number name for 4, Soumya? Very good.
U-R.
Oh, very nice. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-O. Everybody also, everyone has to repeat after. Very nice. F-O-U-R 4.
F-O-U-R.
Very good, Soumya. Very good. Please put yourself on mute. Navya, can you tell me, Navya, which number is this?
Okay, F-I-E-5. E5.
Very good, Navya. Excellent. Very good, beta. F-I-V-E-5. Everybody say it 2 times. F-I-V-E-5.
F-I-V-E5.
F-I-V-E-5.
F-I-V-E5.
F-I-V-E-5.
F-I-V-E5.
Very good. Now, Nisa. Nisa, tell me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Nisa, tell me which number is this?
6.
Yes,
Very good, Nisa. Do you remember the number for 6, Nisa?
6.
Very good, Nisa. S-I-X 6. Everybody see? Say it to me. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. Okay. Now we come to number
7.
Yes. Let me see who is going to answer that. Shivansh, can you tell me which number is this, Shivansh?
E-V-E-N. 7.
Very good. It is SEVEN 7. Very nice. Very good. Now I'm going to repeat the numbers. Okay, Shreyas, can you tell me which number is this? Yes, Shreyas, please unmute करके बताओ ये कौन सा number है, Shreyas? Good. FIVE 5. Everybody say FIVE 5.
FIVE5.
Okay, very good. Shreyas. Very good. Put yourself on mute now, Shreyas. Now, Prateek, tell me which number is this, Prateek? Fast, Prateek. Shreyas, now put yourself on mute. Yes, Prateek, will please answer which number is this, Prateek?
3.
Very good. What is the number name of 3?
ESRE.
Very good. Now, Prateek, you also have to learn, okay? दीदी से पूछ के नहीं बताना है बार, आपको भी याद करने हैं ना number names. Okay, you're a good boy ना. सब number names घर पे revise करो. Okay, now Prateek ने जो बोला वो that answer is correct. THREE3. Okay, THREE3. Everybody say with me. THREE3. Okay, now who is left? Who is left? Sarvesh. Sarvesh, please tell me which number is this, Sarvesh? Sarvesh, please tell me which number is this? Unmute करो पहले. You are on mute. आप mute पे हो, Sarvesh. 7. Very good. Can you tell me the number name for 7? Number name बताओ 7 का. SE, say with me, SEVEN 7. S, say it on the fingers. Fingers open karo, 3 fingers. And say SEVEN 7. Okay, Sarvesh? Okay, now I think I've done with all the kids. Now kids, आज हम एक नया number name सीखने वाले हैं जिसको हम कल continue करेंगे. We just have a look at it. That number is 8. Okay, which number is this? 8. Which number is this, everybody? 8. Now what is the number name for 8? EI. ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है तो आपको याद करने में थोड़ा tough होगा. It's a big. So it will take a little bit of time. You have to practice this, okay? EI. GH. T. 8.
8.
Say with me, we divide it into 3 parts. 3 fingers. Open your 3 fingers. Everybody, open 3 fingers. Open like this. If you can't open like this, then open like this. Okay. Now say with me. First finger says EI. Then second finger says GH. And the last finger says T. Okay. Here we go again. Everybody has to repeat after me. EI. GH. T. 8. What it is? 8. Number name 8. Open the fingers again. EI. T. 8. Okay, so it's easy this way. One finger says EI. Those other finger says GH. And the last finger says T. EI, GH, T. 8. Very good. Now we are going to continue this tomorrow. We will do writing. Okay, we will do writing of number name 8 tomorrow. Okay, everybody, now what will be your homework? I will give you the exercise of greater than, lesser than and equal to, plus you have to revise your number names orally. Okay, you have to revise them. You have to learn your number names till number name 7, because tomorrow we are 8 we are going to do tomorrow. So I'm going to ask randomly, though all of you know, most of you know the number names, but still keep on revising, otherwise you'll forget them. Okay, chalo, let us end our day now. Everybody please stand up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you share August
Yes, ma'am.
syllabus?
August syllabus. Okay, ma'am, I'll tell my school to send it across to you, the syllabus for August. We don't have a separate syllabus, we have unit wise, but I'll let you know what all we had done in August. Okay, I'll tell the admin team to send it across. Have you got the syllabus for the previous months?
Ma'am, only August, she's joined September. So August.
Okay, fine, ma'am. I'll do that today. I'll ask the admin team and they'll send it across to your school. Okay, they can share it with you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now kids, everybody stand up and hold your hands. And say with me, thank you, God.
Thank you, God.
The world so sweet.
Thank you,
Thank
God.
you, God, for the food we eat.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. And thank you, God, for everything. God, close your eyes and say, God bless my mummy, my daddy, and my teacher. Help me always to keep them happy. Okay, now everybody, let's do the national anthem. Okay, now everybody on mute, please. I don't want any kid on unmute when the national anthem is going on. Okay? Please put yourself on mute first and then stand straight, hands by your 1, 2, 3, start. Is anybody on mute? I can hear sounds from the background. Who is on unmute? Okay. Prateek, please mute yourself. Prateek, mute karo. Prateek, please put yourself on mute, beta. Yes, good boy. Hold your hands and say with me. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, kids. I'm really sorry. Keep your hands straight by your side and let us start. 1, 2, 3, start. Jan Gan Man Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravid Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Ujjwal Jaladi Taranga तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद. Okay, kids. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. All of you. Bye. And Smriti, I will let you know about the syllabus of August. Okay. Bye.